Hello and welcome PC Master Race setup community, today with another video. And Coolermaster Germany was kind enough to send me over some of their white parts for my next build, which is coming up in the Deep Cool, what is it called? I think CL500 exactly, and which is a silver black case. So we also got the silver edition liquid cooler ML360p of Coolermaster, and all the other parts are gonna be white. So let's start with this big unboxing. Very thankful to Coolermaster Germany for sending over all this stuff, and I can't wait to open it up. So first product we want to unbox is the Coolermaster V750 Gold version 2 white edition, which is a fully modular power supply with gold 80+ gold certification, and in, as the name already tells, in a white color. So let's open this thing up. It is a very heavy power supply, as I can already tell, but I think this means something good. Often it is like this. If the packaging or if the product is heavy, the product is also very solid and high quality. So let's just have a look inside the box here. Oh yes, I can already tell this is very nicely presented. So this is the manual user's guide, which we as always don't use, so throw it away. Let's just start with the power supply itself. It comes in this nice fabric in this bag. So let's open this up and see how the white looks. I think this is very cool. So okay, I can't get it out. Okay, let's throw this away. There it is, very nice in this white color. Really like it. Okay, what do we have here? I never seen anything like that. Hybrid on off. Please let me know in the comments what this is. I've never seen anything like that on a power supply. No idea. Then your normal on off switch, your AC input, and here are the connections. As already told, everything is modular. So let's have a look on the cables. Maybe they also look special. They also come in this bag. I mean, wow, that really is impressive. That really is impressive. So let's just open it up and see what we got inside. First of all, normal AC connection cable. Next, some zip ties and Velcro strap to manage the cables. Also very nice to include this. Oh yes, that's what I thought. They also include, it's not a fabric cable, but they include white cables. So Coolermaster, well done. Really like it that you have included white cables and not these cheap black ones, or even the colored ones, which really look shitty in the build. But you know, I got for this for the next build, I also got some cable extensions, so I wouldn't need them. But very nice that they went with a white color, and also they included enough of cables. Can't ask for more. I mean, that is really impressive. Thanks a lot, Coolermaster, again for sending out this power supply. And we will continue now with some 120mm ARGB fans. So see you guys later. So as I told you, the next product are this Sigflow 120mm ARGB fans by Coolermaster again, of course. So first one is a pack of 3, including the RGB controller, and the other ones are just fans. So I will open up the pack plus one of the other ones, so you don't have to be bored of me opening 3 times the same thing, which doesn't really make sense at all. So let's start by opening the big box and see what's inside. Let's hope the other ones don't fall over, as this is like an improvised table of me, so I can have the setup in the background, which I think looks really nice if instead of some boring background during the video. So it's, oh, I thought it was packed again, but no, it's just a little box. Coolermaster, make it yours, kind of their slogan, I guess. So how do I, okay, I open it up like this. Some accessories. Okay, we got here the controller. Oh wow, I mean, that is a very small controller, never seen anything like that before. Let's put this aside. Then we have some adapter cables, and I think that's about it. Oh, I forgot this one, which fall in. What's that? I don't know what this is. Looks like some covers for something. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, whatever. I think I will have to read the manual when I install them, but not for now, so let's put this aside. Then next thing are the fans. Let's see, all packed away in this cardboard. Let's remove it. Okay. Oh wow, they got like a very special flickering pattern going on here. Really like this. Looks kind of cool. And also the color, of course, white like a snowball. Also the cables, really loving it. Let's see how this looks inside the CL500 case. I'm really looking forward for this build. So let's put this aside, and I think I don't have to take these out, you know, there are 2 more inside it. So let's open up one of the simple boxes to see if there is anything special inside, but I guess it's pretty much the same, just without the controller. So let's have a look. It comes in this plastic box, and yes, as I thought, yes, it also comes with this cover. Oh, I see it now. It's to hold the plugs together so they don't fall out after the connections. Oh, very nice. Never seen anything like this before as well. Really special brand, I have to say, but they have some good ideas. And of course your 120mm ARGB fan, like the other one. So next thing is the silver edition ML360p radiator. So see you then. The last thing and the biggest thing I have to show you is this AIO Master Liquid ML360p silver edition. What a mouthful, but let's jump right in and open this box up and see what the silver edition looks like. I think there is no other brand which has an AIO in silver color, but maybe I'm mistaken. So if so, please let me know in the comments if you know any other brand which sells a silver AIO. So how do we open this one up? Same system as the other stuff. Okay, let's remove those bags to prevent like vapor or anything like that, so it doesn't get wet or whatever. I don't know what it's called in English. Here again a controller, probably for the ARGB. What else do we got? Accessories to mount it on your motherboard, and some cables as well for the fans and ARGB, and of course adapters to match your motherboard type. And last but not least we got the fan. Oh wow, what is this? I didn't know this is one piece. I didn't know that. What? I thought they are 3 individual fans, but it looks like it's like a 360 fan configuration which you can't separate. That's cool, because you only have to plug in 2 cables like this. Really cool idea. Quality, yeah, feels a bit cheap. All plastic, but yeah, I mean, you don't care too much about this if it is built in your system. Then next, last thing, we have the AIO itself. Let's see what this looks like. I really like the silver color. Has a bit of weight to it, the socket, and also here all silver, not a single other color. Tube silver, and also this is all silver. So let's just remove the plastic real quick so we can have a better look. I don't know where the beginning of this is, so I will just rip it off like that. Yes, I got it. This could actually be metal, I'm not sure. Feels has a cold touch to it, so it could be metal, could be not. I'm not sure, I have to read what it really is, but I think it could be metal. So what do you think, guys? Doesn't this look awesome? I really like it. And if you want to see the build and don't miss next videos, next unboxings, reviews, whatever, I also have a review coming up of the monitor, which is currently sitting over there. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, also share with your friends. And if you are interested in pictures, please go and follow my Instagram. So see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. It really helps. Bye bye.